Hi guys, and welcome to my channel please. So I was really debating about today's filming today's videos. Is first of all, today I'm gonna share some of the new things that I purchased for myself, from where 70% are interior things. Like, I have purchased a lots and lots of interior decor thing, you can say. So I thought filming this video would really helpful for someone who are making their living by their own and have recently entered into interior thingy. um I just want to explain it in this way, is that nowadays some of us are really getting interested towards making the home space more like homely and welcoming. So I'm gonna share all the things that I have recently purchased in this video. So first of all, I'm gonna start with some fashion item. So recently, as you know, last month there was Navratri as well as Diwali. So obviously I'll purchase a lot of things, but from there I'm gonna share three things with all you guys, because the three things are my favorite from the haul. So first two are the shoes. So the first shoe that I have got is from Ginger. So this is the shoes, guys. I am in love with it. First of all, I'm gonna just look into this color. I don't know the camera I don't know that camera is catching or not. It's a muted movie pink kind of a color, and it's from the Ginger, it's the lifestyle brand, and it's a mesh kind of a design in it. It has got some silvery bits also in it. And one thing I really love about the shoes is that it's a stretchy one, so you don't always have to go and unknot it and wear it. So it's really easy to wear also. I'm in love with this shoe. It's a everyday basis also. It's really comfortable. So the next one is a heel, but before that I'm gonna share with you this bag. So I have got this bag from, you can say, this shoe pouches or shoe bags from Flipkart, and it was in the set of 6 bags like this, like shoe bags. So basically, where I stay, the house is not that big, and also I'm share my flat with someone else, so we don't have a lot of space for storage. So I have a bed that's a box bed, and it has got some dryers under it. So it's really easy to store some of the everyday use clothes and shoes under the bed. So I have purchased these bags because I have lots and lots of shoes, and I really wanted to store in some places where people can see my shoes. I don't know, I don't feel like displaying my shoe collection. I'm not that kind of a girl who love to show their display their shoe collection. So I really wanted to keep inside something, intact into something. So yes, so I have got some bags so that it will be so it will be in a very good condition. Also, the shoe will be, just take some silicone bags and it's fine. So I'm gonna do a shoe storage kind of a video later on, but today I'm gonna share all the things. So if this shoe, it's a heel. Again, I have got it from Myntra. Yes, this Ginger shoe that I have just shared with you earlier, it's also I got it from Myntra. So this shoe is from the brand, it's just rubbed off. I really don't know from which brand I have got it from. I think it's Must and Harbour, but again I'm gonna just put up over here the name of that brand from where I have got it. So again, it's a muted pink kind of a color, like muted pink, and you can see some animal prints have been going on from this side. Like, it has got some animal prints. Also in the heel also it has got some animal print, and it's a block heel. It's really comfortable, guys. It's really comfortable to wear. This shoe is, I am not a heel wearer for everyday. I don't wear heels, but this heel is really comfortable. Whenever I purchase any kind of heel shoes, it should be block heel, because it's really comfortable. So the next one is a top. So again, I have got it from Myntra, and it's from the brand, I think it's a Tokyo Talkies. Yeah, it's Tokyo Talkies. I will put up the picture over here. I've wear it multiple times. It's one of my favorite top in nowadays. Like, the style of this top is one of my favorite to wear, because it has got some frills in the hand area, and also frills in the downward portion also, and I really love it. One thing I'm really not at all a fan of, this like top is the material, because the material is so creased. Whenever I wear it, I have to iron it before wearing it because it get creased easily. So yeah, so these are all the fashion items that I've recently purchased. Now I'm gonna show all the interior bits. So I'm gonna do it on a vlog kind of thing because there are a lot of things to show to all you guys. So first of all, I'm gonna share this chest of drawers, guys. I've got it from Amazon. I'm gonna link it down in the description so that you can get to know it. So I store all of my makeup. It's really messy. I'm really sorry about it. It's really messy. So I've got some of my holders over here, some of my daily makeup, like skincare items over here, my perfumes over there. Then the drawers, it's like a five chest of drawers, and I think it's from Nilkamal brand. And I was searching for these drawers for a very long time. I'm gonna not dug you all inside the drawers because it's really messy, really messy. So I just store all of my makeup in these drawers, and like from foundation, every drawer is I have just parted down. So some drawers have got foundation, face makeup, lip care, then I've got the eyes items. Now I'm gonna show to all you guys the next chest of drawers that I have got and how I have decorated it. So the next that I'm gonna show to all you guys is this area. You can see it's one again, it's a chest of drawers. It's, you can say it's my dresser basically. I put all of my clothes in here, like all of my everyday used clothes, and I have decorated this above area, and I'm gonna share what are the items that I have purchased and what are the items that I'm decorating it with. So let's just start from this side. I have got this in my birthday, so it's really old. So the new item is this flower vase. Basically I have got it in Bhai Dooj. It's a gift, and I really love this color, guys. Really love this color. It's like a dark green color, you can see, and I'm a huge fan of it. So yeah, let's put this away. So the next one is this plant. It's a money plant that I have got it from Home Center, and it comes with this pot itself. It's a ceramic pot, and it has got some vein running into it, and it's just awesome. I really love it, and it is really not that pricey also. I have got it around 460 rupees. Next come this light, and let's just on. So next come to this light, and it is written here over love, and I am in love with it. I put a picture over here. I have put it on my Insta also, Insta stories, everywhere. I have put this photo of this lighting thing, and I am in love with it, and I have got it from Flipkart. Next, again this lighting that again I have got it from Flipkart, and both of these lighting runs into batteries, and I really love it. And this is from Delhi. When I was in Delhi, I was living in Delhi, I've got it from Delhi, Delhi Hut. Yeah, I've got this frame from Delhi Hut. It's a friend's frame. Yeah. Now come to this side table. I'll put a picture over in this side also, guys. This side table actually it's from Urban Ladder. You can see it. It's from Urban Ladder. It's actually cost for 7,000 rupees, and it's really amazing. It's a two tray kind of a table, like two table basically, and one can go inside if it's not in use. So the one table can go inside if it's not in use, and if it's in use you can take it out and just use it up. So I've got this from Zepho basically. So yeah, I hope that you all have loved today's video. It's a very simple video that I've filmed in. I really wanted to share all the items that I've recently purchased to all you guys. So I really wanted to film this video so that you can guys so that you all can know from where I've got some interior bits and pieces on very low prices. I'm gonna mention all this link because all of the product that I've shown to all you guys, other than two products, I purchased it from online itself. So I'm gonna put it all the link in the description so that if you want you can purchase it. So yeah, this is all the things that I have recently purchased. I hope that this was some kind of interesting video that you have seen in YouTube. I have seen this kind of video a lot, and I actually love this kind of video. It's like a blog style also, and also you're just sharing something that you have recently purchased to help other if they are in search or in need of something similar to you. So I hope that you all have enjoyed it. So I'll come with some few new videos like such kind of interesting video later on. So if you all have loved today's video, don't forget to click the red subscribe button and subscribe to my channel, because it will mean a lot to me, and also it's free to subscribe. So just subscribe to my channel, and just don't forget to click a like button if you have really enjoyed today's video. I love filming this video, I will say. I really loved it because I love a vlog kind of a style videos, and also I think it's a kind of informative also, because I've got a lot of product from online sites on very cheap prices. Yes. So yeah, I hope I will see you all in the next video. Till then, you all stay beautiful. Bye.